Beautiful evening in Pittsburgh after a really nice weekend, and now it's going to be really nice if you consider 90 degrees or above to be nice. Not sure I do, Ray.
Yeah, you have less than 24 hours to make friends with somebody with a pool or a boat, so get to work with that. I just saw a boat whiz by. There's one kind of taking a more gentle stroll towards the start of the Ohio River, but when it comes down to it, this is a perfect evening. Tomorrow, it'll look very similar, but it'll feel a whole lot hotter as we have temperatures near 90 degrees on the way back. Currently, it's 81 in Pittsburgh, and we have very low humidity. We have a dew point at 43. That gives us 26% relative humidity, calm winds. This is about as nice as it gets. Now, 81 Pittsburgh and Washington, 83 in Cranberry, Morgantown even 82, Greensburg 81. And then we get several places with temperatures in the upper 70s. Any way you slice it, it's a little warm, but it's very comfortable with those lower humidity levels. Now, tonight, Pittsburgh's temperatures is going down to about 61, many spots down into the 50s, so it's going to be another very comfortable night. And as we go into tomorrow, we start to see the heat and the humidity working back in. We're looking at highs in most cases tomorrow to make it into the lower 90s. And on top of that, we're going to have higher humidity, making it feel more like the mid 90s in most cases. So the heat index is coming back big time tomorrow. Now, we don't have anything going on nearby when it comes to the satellite and radar. The satellite would show us clouds, radar would show us rain. Nothing on either nearby, but as we zoom out, you can see one of the big ingredients in our warm-up, and that's the leftovers of what was Tropical Storm Cristobal. That's going to continue to move northward just to our west, and as it does so, it's going to lift a warm front our way. So the high pressure that's been bringing us this beautiful weather through the weekend into today, it's going to start to slip off the east coast, and that's going to allow that warmer air to start creeping in. You can see that warm front, bottom left-hand corner of your screen, lifting up towards us, and that's going to bring in the additional heat, the additional humidity, and eventually set us up for some thunderstorms as this remnant of Cristobal meets up with a cold front, and that comes swinging through the area. And out ahead of that cold front, we're going to see showers and thunderstorms firing up on Wednesday, and that could lead to strong to severe thunderstorm or two by the time we get into the middle of the week. So watch Wednesday for that as that cold front gets closer, and then on the other side of the cold front, we cool off again and get some very comfortable weather moving back in. Tonight, 61, mostly clear, light and variable winds, pretty much a perfect night. Tomorrow, though, 91. The hottest day possibly so far of 2020, and on top of that, it's going to be muggy. As we go through the next 24 hours, you're going to see those temperatures start off in those mid-60s at 8 a.m. By lunchtime, we're talking mid-80s. The humidity is going to start to sneak in there, and then by the time we get to 3, 4 o'clock, we're talking temperatures in the 90s. Now, over the next several days, it's a short little heat wave. As we get into Wednesday, 89, but that's with that cold front coming in, and during the afternoon and evening, we're going to see some thunderstorms firing up, then some sunshine. For Thursday, Friday, even Saturday and Sunday look pretty nice. Could see a spotty shower, but it does not look like a washout in any way, shape, or form. And if you want to watch the temperatures go up, you can do it with the KDKA Weather App from the comfort of your home. This is a free app. It has current conditions, hour-by-hour forecast, futurecast, and a whole lot more. Just search CBS Pittsburgh in the App Store and Google Play.